Write down all of you. Convert delta connected, not connector, it is connected resistor, delta connected resistor, delta connected resistor to equivalent star connected resistor to equivalent star connected resistor. Okay, so delta is no, already we have seen delta shape. You just see, all of you, delta we have seen, this is the delta. Please unmute yourself. 537. Okay, so this is actually delta connection. Okay, this is the actually delta connection we have seen. So this delta I can reverse also, no? I can reverse like this. This is also a delta connection. I can write like this also, no? Delta, the image. Okay, now see here this delta connection. Okay, this delta connection, what I am doing, this delta can be connected in the form of pi model also. Okay, this delta connection can be represented in pi model also. Delta or pi is both are same only. Okay, if it is connected in pi model means, see here, this delta is there, the same circuit I am redrawing here. This is okay, the whatever the value is there, the resistor, and this resistor is there now. I am expanding like this in the form of pi. Okay, and this resistor is there now. I can expand like this. Okay, and how these two, this is the common point is there now. So I can connect with a line. Okay, this is the pi model. How it is pi shape only, no? This delta I can connect in the form of pi model also. Okay, so because see here resistor, suppose if it is 1, resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3, not values. So the resistor 1, resistor 2, and this is resistor 3. Okay, so this is equivalent. Okay, both are same only. This is equivalent to this one. So when the circuit is connected in delta form means, so delta is nothing but pi model also, both are same only. So in the question they have given, this is the delta form they have given, that is 10 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistor and 5 ohm resistor. So this is the delta form they have given. So what you have to find? Okay, what you have to find now? So delta is given, you have to find star connection. Okay, the question is asking you have to find star connection. Star means what? Clearly they mentioned star. Star is a alphabet, no? Star is nothing but Y model. Okay, it is a Y model which is nothing but alphabet. So that alphabet is Rx you need to find. Clearly it is mentioned star Rx you need to find, Ry you need to find, and Rz you need to find. And what are the known values? Known values are R1, R2 and R3. So you just consider like clockwise. Okay, this will be R1, this will be R1, this is R2 and this is R3. So what is the circuit? That pi model, I have to replace it by star connection. Star is nothing but Y shape only, no? So between two resistor, one resistor will going to get. Okay, between two resistors, one resistor I am going to get. So likewise, I am getting this one. Okay, and between these two resistors, between Rx and R, between okay, this is delta, no? R1 and between R1 and R2, I am going to get one resistor. Let us write it as R suffix X. Star means alphabets, no? R suffix X. Okay. Now between these two resistors, that is 3 ohms and 5 ohms, I am getting one more resistor, that is R suffix Y. Okay. R suffix Y is the another. And between 5 and 10, another resistor will be there, that is R suffix Z. Okay, total 3 resistors. The 3 new values we are going to find now. Okay, and we know that And we know that for this is a star connection. Now we know the formula for Rx. What are the Rx is the unknown value. Okay, for Rx is a star connection. For that star connection, what are delta connector resistors? What are delta connector resistors? How they are? 10 ohms and 3 ohms. 10 ohms and 3 ohms. They are looking like
Series.
parallel, no? So parallel. How series you tell? Okay. See if here it is there, current is going to divide, no? Suppose if current is entering like this, means current will be dividing in these two paths. If current, suppose current is entering from Rx, it will go to two branches. That means current dividing is taking place. So likewise, we have to say that it is a parallel connection. Okay, it is a parallel connection. So that's why we got the formula as for Rx, it is R1. Okay, so I have considered this as R1, this as R2, no? R1, R2. Okay, R1, R2 by R1 plus R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here I wrote here R1 is Rx is equal to R1 R3, no? So that how you will write Rx is equal to R1 R3. Suppose if I start this 3 ohms as R1, then you will get like that. So I have made from 10 ohms R1, R2 and R3. Okay, 10 ohms is R1, 3 ohms is R2. So that's why I am writing this Rx as R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So, but what is R1 and R2? Okay, you can go through with this one. What is R1 value? R1 is the same value, no?
10.
I have
10.
replaced. This is R1. This is R2. R1 is 10. R2 is 3. Okay. R2 will be 3. Okay. So 30 by
18.
Summation 18. 30 by 18. In your calc you will get what is the exact value you got?
1.6.
1.66.
1.66.
Okay, 1.67. 1.666. That is nothing but 1.67.
1.67.
Rx value is 1.67. Now you tell me Ry. Okay, so how you don't see these answers. Okay, here Rx1. Okay, based upon the connection diagram, you have to go through that one. I have made Rx here. I can make Rx here also, no? So just based upon your assumptions only, between these two resistors, I assumed as Rx. Now Ry, for Ry, what are the resistors connected? 5 ohms and
R3.
3 ohms. 5 and 3.
And R3.
Okay. Okay, 5 and 3. That is 5 into 3. 5 and 3 means 5 into 3 by summation of all R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, 10 plus 3 plus 5. That is how much? 15 by 18. What is the value? 15 by
0.8.
18.
0.7.
0. 0.83.
83.
Everyone should, okay, 0.83. Okay, this is the value. Now we will find, you will find RZ. For RZ, what are the values? Tell me. For RZ, what are the resistors connected?
5 into 10.
5 and 10 are connected.
5 and 10.
Okay, 5 and 10 are connected. So 5 into 10 by, what is the denominator for all cases we got?
18.
For all cases, 10 plus 3 plus 18. Okay, 18. Which is?
50 by 18. 50 by 18.
50 by 18, which is nothing but 2.7.
2.7. Yes, sir.
2.7. Okay, we got here. See here. That means whatever the values you are assuming Rx previously, but we got RZ as likewise. That means if here previous in this case I have assumed Rx here, but here now for analysis I made Rx here. Okay, so either clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is only just assumption, but the thing is, okay, whatever the values, but the thing is between those two resistors, the new values you have to get correct answer. That means between 10 and 3, you should get 1.67 only. Between 5 and 3, you should get 0.83. Okay, and between 5 and 10, you must get 2.7. Okay, that is the thing you need to. Okay, that is the thing you need to get. So this, so what you have to do finally, what you have to make, I'm clearing. Is everybody is finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm clearing all. So you go 0 0.1.66, 0.83. After getting that final circuit, you need to, okay, final circuit you need to draw. Let me, okay. So this is the final circuit I got. Okay. So this is Rx. Whatever the values you got, you write that value. Rx is equal to
R1.
Ry is equal to
uh,
and Rz is equal to whatever the values you got, you just substitute over there. Okay. You substitute over there. Clear? Any doubts?
No,
Okay, I
sir.
will go with the next
No, sir.
problem. Okay. Here inside no, there is no star connection, only this one. I will redraw the circuit. All of you redraw. Okay, write down. In a circuit, find in a circuit shown in figure. In a circuit shown in the following figure, find the equivalent resistance between A and C. Find the equivalent resistance between A and C. Everyone, please use your hall ticket number, not other names. Otherwise, it will be marked as absent. Some persons are naming with different. Okay, just rename to your hall ticket numbers. Otherwise, you people will be marked as absent. Okay, find the equivalent resistance between A and C. I will redraw the circuit. All of you, okay, don't take the diagram. Okay, this is the circuit. All of you draw. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 4. And this is 10. Okay, he's asking that you need to find the equivalent resistance between A and C. This will be A and this will be C. This is position is D and this position is B. Okay, he's asking to find equivalent resistance between A and C. What happened to 527? Why you are making that lines? Okay, so you need to find the equivalent resistance between A and C. So equivalent resistance, how you will find? Equivalent resistance, how you will find? So equivalent resistance means what? Here there are so many resistors. Only thing is we need to make into only one single resistor. Okay, you can, he is not asking whether you do star connection, whether you do delta connection, whether you do series or parallel. It is your wish. Okay, it is your wish, but make that circuit into only one resistor. Okay, actually you are having 5 resistors here, but I want final answer is only one resistor, and that resistor must be same for all. Okay, all of you, you can go with that logic. Here logic is given. Okay, either you can take the logic, that means the above circuit is delta 1 only, no, above is delta or below 1 is also delta. You just apply anywhere this delta, you make it into star, so that, okay, when you make this delta to star, the outer elements, whatever the 3 resistors are there, are replaced by star connection, so that 4 6 10 will not appear again. Okay, remaining new circuit will be there, no, that circuit you are going to get. Tell me that answers, all of you, make it fast. Make it fast and tell me that final answer. Anyone? Fast. Finished? Again, you redraw the question. Don't make there itself. You will get confused. 6, 10, 4, 8, 7. Star inside you are getting star means Rx, Ry, Rz. Tell me Rx value. Anyone?
1.2.
Rx is equal to
1.2.
1.2.
6. Okay, 4 into 6 by 4 plus
6 plus 10.
6 plus
10.
10, which is equal
1.2.
to
24.
1.2.
1.2.
Okay, 1.2. Okay, now you tell me Ry.
Ry 2.1.
Ry, for Ry, connected resistors are 6 and
7.
so 6 and
6
10.
and 10.
And the denominator is 4 plus 6 plus 10. 20, no?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Denominator is 20. So 10
3,
ones
sir.
are 10 twos are. It is 3. 6 by 2 is 3. Now you tell
3.
me RZ, RZ, RZ is equal to, for RZ, what are resistors connected? 4
2,
and
sir.
10, no? 4
2,
and 10
sir.
only, no?
40 by 20.
4 into 10, 4 into 10 by the
20.
denominator is 20. 10 ones are 10 twos are. 4 by 2 is 2. I think everybody
2.
got the same values.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now
Yes,
what,
sir.
after getting this, what you have to do? You have to redraw the new circuit. The new circuit will be okay. This is the new circuit I am going to get. Okay, this like this only, no? This is A and this is C. You tell me between 4 and 6, what is the resistance you got? How much you got? Tell me. This is 7 as
1.2.
usual.
1.6. 1.2.
This 1.2.
2.
Okay, this value between 6 and 10, how much you got?
3.
3.
3. Between 4 and 10?
2.
2. 2.
2. Okay, so this is the circuit you got actually. Okay, no need of writing that a B and a D. Now you can see that suppose, okay, suppose if I don't write this voltage, just assumption only I am telling you. Okay, you have to assume like this. I am giving the supply between A and C terminals. Okay, if I apply supply, what happens? Current will be flowing, no, from positive higher potential to lower potential. Current will flow to position A, and here splits into two parts. Okay, like here and here. And you can see that here from this, the path is single path. One current will be flowing, and here the path is single path. So by seeing that, how this 2 and 8 they are connected? Tell me. Single path, no, current is flowing like this. 2, is there any
Series.
division?
Series.
No current division. So
No, sir.
series. Okay, 8 and 10 are in
Series.
series, and 3 and 7 also.
Series.
3 and
Series.
7 also series. Okay,
Series.
but
Series.
this 3, 7 and 2, 8, how they are? This is node. Current is
Parallel.
dividing here. No?
Parallel.
Parallel.
Okay, so this 7 and 3 and 8 and 2 are parallel. Okay,
Parallel.
so no, don't write this voltage source. Just I am giving you with a voltage source as example. Okay, now So I can I will get the values as the new resistor will be, this will be 1.2 itself. Like this, you are going to get 2 and 8 is there. That 2 and 8 is 10. And this 7 and 3 is also
10,
10.
10.
20,
10 and 10.
20.
And this is C. Okay, don't say 20. It is parallel connection. It is
5.
not series. No, this 10 and 10 is 10 and 10 are connected parallel. Okay, if they, so again the next circuit will be like this. This 2 resistor will become 1 resistor, and this is 1.2. And this, how these two
No,
10 and 10,
50.
they are connected in parallel, that is product by
100.
sum. 10 plus
50, sir.
10.
1, sir. 50.
This is, okay, 10 ones are 10
Fif-
twos are, okay, not 50, 5.
5, 5, 5.
Okay, 5 I am
5,
getting.
sir.
Check it, all of you. 5
5,
I am getting. Okay, this is position A, this is position C. Now you see how these two they are connected.
Series.
A and C.
Series.
Series means only one
Point.
resistor I am going to get.
6.2.
This is A and this is C. 1.2 plus 5 is 6.2. This is the answer, 6.2 ohms. Okay, this is the circuit
Yes,
you
sir.
need to make. That means that is why. Okay, so by making use of star and delta connection, we can minimize the circuit. Okay, we will get, that means that the total circuit is same. Okay, that many resistors are connected, no? So that means we can say that we made only one resistor. That many resistors, suppose if current is there, means the total current we can get from 6.2 is also the same current will be flowing in that branch. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Shall we go with another numerical?
Okay.
How much time
Okay,
is
sir.
left?
Okay, sir.
How much time is there?
What do you think?
2
7
minutes.
9
10
minutes.
minutes? Okay, I will give you the question meanwhile. Shall I clear all these diagrams? Finished?
Okay, sir. Clear all that.
Okay, ma. Okay. Hello, who is that singing? Yeah, write down the question. Calculate the current in the circuit and also the resistance between terminals A and B. The resistance between the terminals A and B. All of you draw this circuit and don't draw these resistors, ma. This color is different, no? Color. I am pointing out. You can see. Okay, this one don't draw. This resistor name value is not given, no? This resistor, and this resistor. Okay, don't draw that one. You draw that only 100 ohms and 60, 40 and 88. Okay, this is the thing you need to. This is a hint I have made given here. This is the hint you need to follow. Okay, he's asking that between A and B. Okay, what is the equivalent resistance? So the circuit, final circuit, how we will get plus and minus volt 60 volts, and between A and B, all these resistors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistors are there. That 5 resistors you make into only one single resistor. Okay, so that is the homework for you. You just work out, all of you. I think the values are clear. The above one is 100 ohms and these two are 60 and 40, and between 60 and 40 88 is connected, and this is the 80 ohms connected branch. Okay, you need to make use of this hint between 60 and 40. This how this is star connection. You expand this, how it is 60 and 40 and why, just like star only, no? So that star connection is there. You just make it into delta nothing but pi model. Okay, if you make pi model, you will get the circuit minimization, which from that you can work out.